have just finished recording a video about men, and they called me. I'm going to do tomato sales. This is what happens. I just have a small tomato garden near my place. So when a customer shows up, I'm called and I do the sales. Let me go and show you what I do. Yeah, I told you to always have some money making thing. For example, this piece of land is not mine. It was just idle, and I just talked to the owner. Why don't I keep for you your piece of land, as I do some subsistence farming on it? And voila, I now make sales. Tomatoes, sometimes I put eggplants, yams, whatever. I'm always making sales. Vegetables, I'm always planting there, and I sell. I also use at home for my home use. So let me show you how I do the sales. Hello everyone, welcome once again to my channel. This is your girl Nora, and today I'm sharing with you my small tomato garden at home. Yes, I have this tomato garden. I always plant my organic fresh tomatoes and I sell them to around my community. Yes, it has been so profitable during this quarantine time, this lockdown. I've sold quite a number, as you can see. So let me just take you through the journey, how I sell them, and that's it. I negotiate with the customer, then they choose, and I help them choose as well. Selling 6 at 1,000 shillings for the big ones, and the medium ones 8 at 1,000 shillings. So this customer wants for 20,000. So I choose, I pick for them. If I'm not around, the boy does the selling. In the beginning, I sold to people who would buy in bulk boxes. Now mostly I sell to communities. Yes, you can make like 50 to 100,000 in a day, on a good day. Yes, I've sold this for 2 months now. The tomatoes are soon getting finished, but it's very good income. And when others around see me in the garden, they come in big numbers. I'll show you other projects because I'm very good at scouting redundant land around my place, and I have many small projects around my place of such gardens. Talk to them. Some ask me for something monthly, some don't. I just talk to them, the owners of the redundant plots. I have a boy who helps me proof count the tomatoes before the customer goes. Only use rabbit manure as fertilizer and rabbit urine fertilizer and pesticide. I add some ash to the urine. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Yes, share this video. It could encourage someone to have a small backyard tomato garden. Yes, bye.